Mm. Hey, hey, prof. I'm good, I'm good. A bit tired. The dog kept scratching on the door this night. So tired, but I need to finish this project. What about you? Hey, Major. Burger Salmon. That name always. Have you tried Burger Salmon? Walls. Walls. Ah, yeah. I'm still trying to improve the performances a bit more. I think that merging the pipes, the walls, the beams will do the difference. We don't need to do too much. Now the performances are good enough, I guess. No, I never tried. I should. That's actually a good idea. Ademo Go ID Gold. Who are you? One of my students? Maybe I already asked you. You know, my memory is so bad. Am I breaking everything? Maybe. Yeah, let's keep merging everything so that it's fully done. We have no regret. Those are the bars. Let's check the bars. Yeah, okay. Indeed, they are merged. All right. What about the pipes? Yeah, the pipes are done in one material. I did that quite a lot. That was a good idea. It's so well optimized. Hey, notoriety. Let's not merge with those. I did it again. All right. Let's go back. Back. Yeah, okay, it's instances. I always forget that those are instances. Cannot merge them like that. So what I need to do is duplicate them without creating instances. So they have the same material, but at least it's not the same instance. Now we can select by material. Make sure we don't select those. Oh shit, I did it for this one too. Every time. Oops. H2. Yeah, the last one. Was it the last year I got? I guess. Maybe. Control J. Okay, I didn't break anything this time. So yeah, this is a mess. Okay, I just need to select this by normal. No, not normal. Seam, material. What? Let me select you. Yeah, like that. And we can delete that. Did I break everything? No. Alright. It's good. Okay. Last year was really good. So sad it had to stop. Even with the first promotion. Oh no, I did break it. Yeah, okay. I need to focus. Okay, because it's... Okay, I get it. And I broke Blender. Like that. Like that. This one is fine. And I can change this one without breaking anything. Alright, like this. Probably broke something, but we'll see. Maybe later. What else? Did I break the pipes too? No, the pipes are fine. Those, fine, fine. I have 2 of those. Oh yeah, I need to do the pipes. All of them or not? No. Oh, I forgot the little robot. It's so cool. Okay, so we duplicate this one. Ah, well, thank you. Now you can see me stream. Why can't I deselect it? Oh, now I can. All right, all right. And we merged. Cool. Cool, 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 cool. Maybe some people say can always be better, but yeah, I had fun teaching. I'm having fun, but not at this school anymore, unfortunately. Oh, there are the rocks. Yeah, I can do the rocks. So yeah, let's select all the rocks. Ah, the rocks are separated. Ah, so sad. I should have used that technique much sooner to merge all the materials for all the rocks, all the bricks, all the bars. Okay, let's do the same. So we save those. I mean, we duplicate those without using instances. Put them back. We have to select by material. Yeah. We remove this one. Yeah, okay. This one too. Not the reference. And we merge. This one too. Not the reference. And we merge. I think we will get even more milliseconds of render. We'll gain some performances. It will work on most computers, I guess. Maybe not with the Retina, but it's already pretty good. So I got those. Am I missing one? Yeah, this one. Yeah, I think that's good. Those maybe? Yeah. Like this. Oh, I didn't use those. Yeah, true. Files and papers. We have more than enough details. Alright. All the dogs are sleeping. I can focus. I don't know how long I have. Yeah, 2 hours? 3 hours maybe? I really need to finish this project. If we finish fast, I think I will start... Oh, did I do a mistake? Maybe I can start the next project. I'm actually not sure it's doable. I have an idea, but I have to test the MVP. I need this to work in JavaScript. Alright, that's the idea. I think I already tried years ago, but let's see what we can do now in JavaScript. I don't know if some of you had. Sounds exciting. I'm brushing up on my JavaScript to join the cool peoples for the Three.js Journey. What am I doing? I don't know. I just opened my computer. There was stream going on, so I don't know. Now it's a Rick and Morty tribute. We are doing some modeling. We are creating a scene, and then we are putting that scene on a WebGL. And right now it looks like this. And you will be able to travel through it. You will have some references everywhere. There's the helmet, there's the car, there is the headband, there's the robot, there's the dog helmet, Mi6 box, powder gun, everywhere. And it's just for fun to learn Substance Painter, to improve my skills in Blender and do some WebGL because I love to do WebGL. And this is all brother base. So you can try it. I will share the URL a bit later. All right. Next message. project. One of my students from Three.js Journey. Yeah, now I have students from school, students from Three.js Journey, maybe some students from the stream. All right, can we optimize more or not? Did I forget? Ah, maybe the wires, you know, those. Oh, we have only 2. What? Oh, okay, there. You know what, we started. Let's finish right. I need to optimize the textures too. Because a website which is 100 megabytes heavy, people usually don't like. Actually, the good thing is that after maybe half a second, you can already see the portal. That's great. It's actually one of the good things to do. So that the user can already interact, and also so that iOS doesn't crash and try to refresh and crash and try to refresh and crash. I really like those particles. Okay, cool. I was optimizing, yeah, those. Oh, it's one material. Okay, that's great. So yeah, instead of 4 objects to render, we get only 1. Okay, I think it's pretty good. This good, this good. Yeah, the pipes, the core is only 1 object. Oh, what's happening? Slow down. Okay, I have the WebGL. I cannot run the WebGL and Blender at once, at the same time. Oh, we have the plumb bus also. This one is a bit hidden because it's a bit awkward too. It's there. It's warming. Doing this one was really fun. Too bad we don't have much... we can't really enjoy the reflection on this one. Maybe I should turn it more so that it faces the portal. Yeah, let's do that. I'm going to move it. Yeah. Come here. Oh. Thanks for the sub. So you did a gift. Oh, I'm gonna need some help here because I have buttons. That there is a gift sub. So you gave it to notoriety. Okay, it's gifting 1 tier sub. Oh, I don't even know what are tiers. I need a tutorial about that. Okay, so I wanted to move it like this. Like that. Let's try a render. We have to wait. A lot of textures to handle. Come on. Ah. Okay. Yeah, that's it. I want that reflection here. So let's move it maybe there. Yeah, maybe like this, it's better. When you arrive, you have no clue what it is. Maybe we can move this. We can put it, whatever. Oh, it didn't subscribe. What? I have a lot of people ask me that. It's a poor Mac from 2 years ago. And it's burning right now. Like I can see flames. It's pretty bad. But I managed. I need to improve that. But I don't want to buy a new computer. Too expensive. Hey, Eddie Krimer. Yeah, guys, don't forget that I'm really bad at Twitch and everything. If you have tips, things you need me to do, just tell me. That's the interesting part. We need a dog cam. All right, let's see what we get. I don't think you saw this one. This one is Riz. He was not on the tweet. There's another one right below the desk. I cannot move the camera. And the one in the last one, which was in the tweet, it's not here anymore. It's gonna be a hot dog. Okay, that was an easy one. All right, so we have the environment. Let's see the performances. Yeah, I think it's gonna be good. Let's add the frame rate. So at the beginning it's 2. It's below 1.6. 16. Yeah, okay, it's better. Better. But when it's bigger, okay, now it's too much. So I don't think I can do a lot about this. Using Basis won't improve. Let's keep in mind that I'm using OBS at the same time. I have a lot of web views running. I have a Blender. I think I can close Blender actually. Didn't change anything. All right. Yeah, I think it's fine. And we didn't break anything. I don't think we have a lot of draw calls. Maybe what? 300 maximum? Maybe less. It's just complex materials. Like the purlin, you can kill the performances with those purlins. Actually, why is it not animated? Yeah, I think it's fine. Let me push that. No, actually, we will optimize the textures first. So, textures are tricky to optimize. Oh, he's gone. Oh, no, he's there. Please? He's so cute. Dormir. I have no idea where the camera. Yeah, I think it's fine. Okay. Chien. Okay, let's optimize the texture. So I'm not going to use Basis because I will definitely kill my computer. It will take an hour to optimize those. But what I can do is just put them to my favorite compressor. So at least it's not that heavy. Yeah, we have all of those. I think I will put everything through the compressor. It will mess up with data textures. Like you're not supposed to apply lossy compression on roughness, normals, etc. But we have so much details. I think you won't see a lot of differences if you optimize those. It's all grungy. Yeah, I think I will try. Okay. I will use tiny PNG. I really like this one. I need to log in. Yeah, because I paid for it, so I can send a lot of textures at once. And huge textures. Being sent. Give me just a moment. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, you go. So now we are connected. And we can send... Oh, actually, you might have some stream video issue while I'm uploading. I don't know how it will go. All right, if I upload those, yeah, see? But it's a lossy compression. That's the main thing to understand. We are right now destroying the textures a bit. So yeah, let's go. Let's send them all. Oops, I did a mistake. Ah, come on, Mac is so bad. We don't need those. Oh, come on. You're just trying to click and the Mac. Okay. I think that's all. Yeah, I can send the masks. Let's go. Oh, Lord. Hey, bonhomme. Oui, t'as trouvé par contre. Non. Non. It's gonna be, I want to, I said that at the beginning. I'm going to use this controller. I mean, I will try to use this controller to control a WebGL robot. And it's inspired by the Volcano clip, live clip of Woodkid. He has a song named Volcano, and there is a live version of it. Doucement. And it's so cool. Like a big, huge robot. That's the idea, at least. All right, we get this. To see how it goes, what I will do is, yeah, rename this one. Assets. Take this, put it there. Did I forget something? I don't think so. Let's go. So, is it broken? And how much broken? What I can do to make sure that it works is remove this one and relaunch it. Well, frankly, I don't see any difference. Maybe if you get very close, you can see some issues, but yeah, I think it's fine. Yeah. Did it really work? 32, yeah, it's fine. Check that. It's not accurate, but it's fine. All right, let's push that. Let's push this. So we don't need those anymore. Shouldn't break anything. And let's go. This thing is taking too much space. Can I reduce it? Yeah, okay. And we push and we wait, and it should be even faster to update on Vassal. If the robot thing isn't possible, I think I will go for the Doom portal, you know, the Doom game, Doom Eternal. And create the portal, so it's a portal again, but the techniques are going to be different. I'm going to use a flow field, which is a really cool technique, but so hard to use. I did it maybe twice, I think. so long and so hard, but you get particles animations that are just perfect.
Qu'est-ce que tu veux? Qu'est-ce que tu veux? Vas-y.
All right, it's pushed. We just need to wait. Hey, Theo. Theo. Yeah, that would be cool too. Actually, I have so many other ideas. Give me a moment. Okay, let's see if Vercel got updated. So it's building right now. So cool. Check that. You can see the progress. Just need to wait. So optimize geometries, optimize textures. Yeah, this is good. It's quite a big website. It's like a maximum of 40 megabyte. I think we are around 45 megabyte. But for such a big experience, it's fine. When you have a lot of models, that's why. And at least you can see something before it starts. If we have, let's say, a good ADSL, you wait, you can already watch it. And let's go. Yeah, 10 seconds before watching something. And if you have a good bandwidth, well, you can see it in 2 seconds maybe. I don't know. Alright, it's up to date. Here's the link if you guys want to test it live. Let me check if it's working. Yes, I have 2 WebGL running at once. Yeah, it's working. Let's go. I send you the link. Hey, Nino Pepper. Alright, let's go. You guys can test. So, we are almost done. Let's try to finish it for finally. For good, I mean. And we need to do the camera animation. Because orbit controls is fine, but we need more. We need more. We need like a travel animation. It goes from point to point, looking at, I don't know, different positions. Maybe you can create or at least 4 so that it's enough for the loading. And then when the user drag and drop, we start the controls animation. So it will be kind of the orbit controls, but a bit better. Like you can't smooth the zoom in, zoom out, and that I really don't like it. You can smooth this one, like rotating around, but yeah, I will need the zoom to work too. Okay, cool. Let's go. Let's do that. So it's not the most interesting part, but still, I get a lot of questions about how to do that camera animation. So if you guys want to learn about how I do camera animations, it's the perfect opportunity. I will lower the music because it's getting hard. So export default controls first. We don't need the mouse. Alright, default class control. Qu'est-ce que tu veux, bonhomme? T'as envie de pisser?
J'ai envie de pisser,
I don't know if I will make sure that it's working on the touch. Maybe we can do that. Shouldn't be that hard. The pickle? Oh, right. Oh no, and I closed Blender, obviously. Thank you, man. Let's change that. Why are you opening Blender on that screen? Where is it? Yeah. So yeah, about the pickle. Pickle is a problem. Pickle is too clean. Right now, pickle is flying. It's flying somewhere. Yeah, there. So we have a flying pickle. Yeah. Where should we put the pickle? Actually, I'm not a big fan of having it inside the spaceship. Why not maybe on the chair? Maybe we can put it... Or maybe we should really hide it. Like there. Yeah. Yeah, like that. Oh, but we won't be able to see it. We need some lights on it. Yeah, like that. Come on. Good pickle. Yeah, I like that. What keyboard and mouse? I have this classic like keyboard Mac thing, which unfortunately is AZERTY because in France we have AZERTY keyboard. It's trash, but we have this. I don't know why. I am using like the cheapest pad on Amazon, and you need a pad if you're using 3D software, especially for Blender. I have my old gaming mouse. It's what? It's Logitech? I think it's Logitech. Not even sure. G502 Lightspeed. It's a bit too heavy for gaming, so I bought a new one for gaming, which is this one. Very simple. So I have this extra mouse. Come on. The focus. Yeah. Okay, whatever you want. And that's all. And I have a trackpad too. I like trackpads. Trackpads are good when you are teaching because if you use the mouse, when you scroll, you see it does jumps like this. And it's hard for someone that watch your screen to follow when it's jumped like this. Some mouse have like no jump wheels, but still, I think that having the trackpad is much better. Like you have a continuous animation, and it's much easier for someone that is watching the stream or the lesson if it's continuous like that. Which is why I bought this trackpad, which is way too expensive. It's like 120 euros, something like that. Way too expensive. I have to recharge it every week. Ah, nice. This one. What's the name? Super Light Pro. It's really good. It's light and precise and simple. Okay, is the pickle nice? I mean, right now? Yeah, it's hidden. I like that. Hidden pickle. The problem with the pickle is that it's too clean. Well, anyway, let's keep it like that. It's funny. We could have created a game, like you have to find every references. There are games like that, you know, where you have a room with a lot of movie references, and you need to find all the movies. I think they did the same for games. That's a good idea. But I need to finish this project. So let's finish that. Okay, so the idea is to create the controls after all the rest. Yeah, there. Yeah, let's try to do it fast. I did that many times, though it's very complex, but still I did it many times, so I hope I can do it fast. Hey, Brandamo. Currently with my trackpad, but I don't work in 3D. Yeah. Oh, 3 months. That's fine. Mac mouse fix for Mac if you want a smooth scroll of a roulette. Oh, interesting. All right. I don't need it, but if I'm using the mouse again, I will check that. Okay, so we have the controls. Let's remove the throttling. We don't need that. Yeah. And inside the controls, I will handle everything about the camera. Should I actually? Yeah, there are so many ways of doing that. Yeah, I remember. The mod is really independent. The idea is just to move the what's the name? The default one. Yeah, that's it. With the control, we just move this one. At any moment, we can go back to the debug mode. I think we have a way of doing that. Oh no, actually we don't. Okay, let's add one so that we can switch between the default one and the debug mode. And also I can see that we have the particles, which is empty. I probably prepared it and forgot about it. So I will remove this part. Actually, I'm gonna need it for the camera. So let's go. Debug folders, camera, singular, why not? Oh, we are 40? Oh, that's crazy. I didn't even tweet or post anything on Discord. I don't know if I will today. Because doing camera controls is maybe not the most interesting part. So we have the camera here, and what I'm going to do is, I don't know how to do that. I need a select. Oh, I did one there for the tone mapping, so let's go. Let's use this one. Tone mapping. Oof, that's complex. You probably don't need such a complex tweak. Add input mode. So it's on mode. So the name is mod. Okay, the property name is mod. We need a list. The label can be mod2. Probably can remove this. And we have only 2 mods. And actually we did a mistake there. What was it? Yeah, we have too many commas. And here, I don't think we need to listen to the change event. Yeah. Default or debug. And the value, default. Is it that simple? And if you want to have other types of cameras, you can. Default. Yeah, I think it's fine. Yeah, it's just at the center. And the debug. Yeah, okay, we can switch between those. Nice. So, by default, I'm going to put back the default. And we can try, oh, sorry, default like that. What happened? Yeah, okay. Jazzy, no. She's crawling in her sleep. I really like the robot. Okay, here we go. Let's start with the spherical controls. Okay, let's go. So we have a phi, we have a theta. I'm not sure I'm saying it right. Looks like theta. Gonna put 0.2, 0.2, and moving the mouse like drag and dropping will change those. Then on each frame we are going to use that to move the camera And to do that, should we create a camera or not? You can create just an object. Thank you. Yeah, I'm not sure of the style we created, like this mix of realistic and non-realistic. I was wondering the result. But I think it's funny to see like the car being realistic. Or at least I learned a lot about Substance Painter, which was also the goal of this. So the radius, we're gonna put 2. This will change with the wheel. And then we can use all of those to update the camera. Maybe I will create a camera, I don't know. No, it can be an object. We don't really need a camera for that. Then we need to trigger this update. Oh, we have navigation there. Okay, that's just some leftover from another project, I guess. Yeah, navigation controls, that's probably it. Let me just remove that. Come on. Oh. You can do it. Okay, it's the complex. I'm on it. And I said to remove, yeah, this. Navigation. Yeah, okay. Actually, I just realized that it's not resize. Yeah, it's this one. And it's update. All right, cool. So obviously the values will have some smooth version on it. What, you don't like this? Controls. Set controls, controls. What don't you like? Oh, I didn't say, all right. No, I bought it on Steam. I actually forgot that, I forgot 2 things. I forgot that it's part of Adobe, and I forgot that I already had it. But Steam made me buy it again, so I'm guessing that every year you have to buy it again. I need to investigate that because that's expensive. When I buy a software, I want the software and the updates, but yeah, I bought it again. 3 is not defined, obviously. Okay, nice. Now the idea is I need to get the camera back fast. We're going to set the camera at this position. Oh, we can use a vector. Oh, yeah, I know what we need. Should we do like that or not? Let me think about it. Yeah, we can. Three.js has spherical coordinates, which is really cool. It's not that complex, and you can just use that. So I will create like a value, because I'm going to have different values. For the smooth version, you will see. We'll add some dumping on it. Easing, dumping. Spherical, like this. And the spherical, you have to provide a radius. So we can do 2, 0.2, 0.5, I don't know, whatever. Okay, like this. Then we can get a vector from it, and to get a vector from the spherical, I think you can do get from spherical. Yeah, set from spherical. All right, easy. So, object, position, set from spherical, because the position is a vector 3, and we can just send this value. That would be a good start. Let me check the position. We should have something else than 0. Oh, it's all base materials of Substance Painter, because I really knew nothing about it. I tried to add more, it worked, but then the software broke and I had to remove it so that the software worked again. So maybe I did something wrong. Maybe it has nothing to do actually, but I tried to add one material and it broke everything. So let's not do that again. Okay, so now we have the position according to the spherical value, and now what we can do is update the camera. So we need the camera first. Camera, and we are going to update the default one. So mods, default, I think it's not, yeah, it's in instance, position, copy, and we copy from this one. There is a lot of abstraction there because I'm going to apply stuff on many things, you will see. Like on all those steps, you will see that we are going to apply different calculations, formulas. Where are you? Yeah, okay, I think it worked. Okay, we are just a bit too high. And what we can do now is make sure that it's always looking at the center. Actually, we need to set the center because we are going to animate this one eventually. Actually, maybe not. Oh, we see. Maybe at a point we will. So target equal new 3 vector 3 and spherical object. Oh, maybe we don't need that. Yeah, let's rotate it. So look at the target, which is the center of the camera of the scene, and now we should get. Oh, we need to apply the quaternion too. Quaternion. Hey, Arcapouet. So did it work? No, I'm guessing that we broke everything. Yeah, why? I'm quite sure if I say something like, yeah, if I do something more like this, I don't want to create cameras just to have cameras for the coordinates. Yeah, I can try instance. Quaternion copy, object look at. Yeah, it should have worked. Yeah, now it's working. I don't like that. The object is looking at the right direction, but the front, the -z is different for a camera. Why did they do that? Or maybe I'm getting something wrong. Maybe I will have to do that. Can we change the default front, the forward of an object? Maybe we can. And it's different from a camera than from an object. I think it's the up. Oh, that's it. Default up. Alright, I think that's the problem. Yeah, maybe you can try to do that. Object. No, wait, this is a static. Yeah, we can do that. Oh, that's it. This is the up. Alright, so we changed the up to something else. So something like 0, 0, 1 or -1, and I think it will act just like a camera. So the object is looking like this, and once you use the quaternion, yeah, now it's working. Oh, so weird. The up of a camera is forward. I mean -z. So that it's by default looking toward the scene, maybe. Yeah, I don't know why they did that. Yeah, that's a bit weird. Alright, so now we have spherical coordinates. What we can do is play with them already or not. Let me check the values. I think this one will control how low it is, and it's from 0 to pi. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. This one actually can look at the center of the portal. Where is the center? Oh, that's a mistake. No, this one. Yeah, okay, that's the center. We are going to have troubles there. Yeah, because the spherical consider that the center is 0, 0, 0, and we have to do a lot of offsets and yeah. You know what? Let's move everything down. Yeah, that's cheating, but at least coordinates will be much easier to handle. So GZ minus 0.25. Yeah. Just like that. Yeah, let's keep the center of the portal at the center. We increase the height of the portal, which is why the center of the portal is not the center of the scene anymore. So we can just fix that by uploading a slightly different offsetted scene and move the portal, down a little. And the portal is there. Where did we do that? There. Can we just do that? Yeah, I guess. Yeah, nice. So now we can move the controls back to 0, 0, 0. Easy. Is that the Illuminati sign? Hey Jessica, hey Bikoga, set. Are you living in the set department? Of the shape of the particle? Yeah! I'm guessing that you got the reference, but yeah, it's the pupil of the characters. Alright, cool. Let's move them. So, the only controls we will have will be by drag and dropping with mouse or trackpad, touch. So, should we create another one or not? Yeah, let's do that. Like set cursor. No, actually, it will be mouse. Then we will do the touch. I will only focus on this one. So X 0, Y 0. When we put it down, we save those. When we do that, we start listening to something else, which is the mouse move and mouse up. We can create those. So on move, on up, and when it's up, we remove those. Did I got it right or not? Yeah, I think it's fine. So we have the X. I should test first. Should not be that confident that this code has been written the right way. I'm going to save the delta. We're going to update everything only when needed. So we have the X, we have the Y. This mouse delta X equals, so it's the current one minus the previous one. The previous one was this one. Do that for the y-axis, and then we can update those. Oops. There. Was that it? Damn, I wrote this so many times. I mean, it's always a bit different, but It's the idea always, or should be fine. I'm not going to apply smoothing on this one. I'm going to apply smoothing only on the spherical coordinates. All right, let's just test without logging everything. You guys want me to speak French so that you learn French too? No, I will try to only speak English. This way I practice English. That's great. Living in Mora, but yeah, from Mo. Ah, nice. Mo. Yeah, I was very close to Mo. Damartin, Longperrier. What was I doing? Ah, yeah, testing the delta. Yeah, nice. Okay, cool. Cool. The delta is... Oh, no, I'm making a mistake right now. Ah, yeah. If we have more move events, I need to... Let me find... Yeah, this is a different way of doing it. I mixed two different ways of doing the mouse thing, like getting the coordinates, and this might result in data loss. Like if the frame rate doesn't match, the onMove event doesn't match the frame rate, we get... Oh, what's that? Have you seen that? Look. Ah, well. Yeah, I might need to fix that. Oh, it's a classic dev test. Yeah, I know how to fix that. I will do that later. So the idea here is that we need to reset it on each frame after using it. So it's kind of a pool called 0. So we use it here, use the delta, we put it back, and here we only increment it. Yeah, so that if we have more move events than the current frame rate, it's okay. Most brothers don't have issues with that, but you never know. So if I log it before, we are supposed to get the same result, but at least it's a more proof. Yeah, I think we can use that. Let's not forget to use the time, by the way. Okay, so now with that, we can... Oh yeah, we will do that at the end. Here we update the spherical. You know, let's do something more like this. We are going to have quite a lot of code, so let's do that. Here we update the camera. This part will be much longer after. We are going to do a mix between two types of controls. The default animated one and the mouse control one. Let's say cursor control one. And here we update the mouse at the end. We might have to do that sooner. It will be fragmented, but let's see. So now that we have the mouse coordinate on each frame, we can... Oh, we don't need to use time with this one. Yeah, we can update the spherical coordinates. So phi is this one, I think, and theta is this one. Phi is going up and down on the sphere, and theta is going all around the sphere. So the x is supposed to play with the theta. Do we say theta? Probably not. Theta. How do you pronounce that? I'm trying to see how to pronounce that. No, it's not Chinese. English, yeah.
Theta.
Theta. Alright. Theta.
Phi.
Phi. Cool. I don't know if you guys heard. theta and phi. It's English class. Okay, cool. So I was saying we need to update the theta with this spherical value theta equal this one. Yeah, it's working. Nice. Obviously, it's too sensible. What is happening? Oh, not equal. Plus equal. It's a tweak pane. Not sure we say it this way, but here you go. Like that. Yeah, I really like tweak pane. The only problem with the tweak pane is the lack of documentation. There is documentation, but it's not. You don't have everything on it. Yeah, can hear I googled the French phrase too. Cool. Indeed. It's the opposite. Anyway, this is a good start. Should we put the sensitivity on the mouse or the spherical? Probably on the mouse because, oh, the touch is supposed to have the same sensitivity. I don't know. That's actually not that important, but I'm not sure to put it at the right position. This one looks really flat. Oh, anyway. Oh, I'm too tired to think. Okay. Yeah, let's put it on the mouse. Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, I can change that later. So, sensitivity. They are so cute. Should we have different ones like X, Y? So X will be minus 0.001, maybe. This one will be 0.001. Maybe we need to revert this one too. And we can do that. Yeah. So right now we are recreating the orbit controls. So it's a lot of work, but at least we will be able to do anything we want with it. I don't think I will let the user go up and down. I wonder, should we? I don't want the user to be able to move everywhere like a 3D software. I don't know. Maybe we can just... Yeah, maybe we can rotate it. Yeah, drag and drop will be like spherical coordinates, and then you can move the camera like this, maybe. I don't know. We have to move forward and see where it leads. So the phi. It's on the Y, and I think it should work. Obviously, we'll be able to go too far. Oh, this one has to be inverted too. All right, why not? Yeah, it's actually quite obvious. Yeah, nice. But we can go too far, like this. So we need to fix that. We are going to put some minimum value and maximum value. Min and max are obviously 0 and pi, so I'm not going to put them on a specific variable. So the min will be 0 and the max will be math pi. Play it for what? Oh, I broke something. Phi, the minimum value has to be 0. And the maximum value has to be this one. Huh? Let me check the value. Yeah, it's between 0 and pi. Oh, I always get them wrong. So it's math pi and 0. Oh, it's fine. You will get the replay. So now we can go too far. Actually, I think I will stop it before. Yeah, so that we can't go too far. So it's gonna be, I don't know, math pi multiplied by 0.2 and this one multiplied by 0.8. I hope we have enough amplitude. Yeah. Okay. So this one is working nice. We're going to handle the zoom and then we're going to add some easing. The zoom is actually something I hate to do because it really depends on the mouse, the OS, and so many things. Set wheel. On wheel. Yeah, why not? And there is actually an npm library which is normalize wheel. Is it? Yeah. This we do a slight normalize. It doesn't change a lot of the value, but still it's slightly better. So I'm going to use it. Import normalize wheel. Yep. And I think you can just use it on the event.pixel. What? Oh, you send the event. All right. Const normalized wheel. And we do normalize wheel of the event. So for me, it's going to be that. And we can listen to the event. Yeah, and I think there is an issue where some browser will not support the mouse wheel and you have to put wheel or whatever. It's ridiculous because it has been years like that. What am I doing? Oh no, I need to send this. Yeah. We'll check Firefox and other browser after. And we can test this, and it's only on the Y, and I think the name is, yeah, that's it, Pixel Y. Okay, cool. Oh, we're gonna need to handle the pinch too. Damn. Oof, I really hope we can finish this time. Alright, if I don't call the function, not gonna work. Yeah, nice. See that? It's supposed to be closer with every brother and a trackpad or mouse. Let me test the mouse. Yeah, the value is much higher, but the frequency is lower, so it should compensate. T'intéresser si je te faisais des petits emotes ou badges? Oh, we can talk about that. I already have someone that I was going to hire to do that, but we can talk about that. Let me add you. How can I do that? Add friends. Yeah. I cannot whisper here. Yeah, we can check that after the stream. All right, so we have the wheel. This will control the zoom, and we will do slightly the same thing. So it's going to be the radius of the spherical. Yeah, we need to play with the radius of the spherical. But we need to save the delta again. What did you miss? We did some optimizations, and right now we are recreating the orbit controls. But our way, so that we can smooth everything the right way. And then we're going to add a camera animation. And we'll be able to switch between those. Okay, nice. I was doing the wheel. Yeah, that's it. So, wheel value. Let's put it to 0. No, it's going to be the delta. Ah, yeah, we need to do the same here. So we have the value, and we are going to save the value. Or is it? Yeah, no, we do delta plus equal this one, and every time we are resetting it, so pixel y. Yeah, we don't need the value like this, I think. Mouse will. Thanks for the sub. Ah, I need another sound for the subs. It's the same as following. Delta, we put it back to 0, and now we can use it there, and we can. Okay, so we have the theta, we have the phi, we have the object, and we have the radius now. Oh no. Okay, so my guess is that it's going to jump like crazy. Yeah. Phew. Too sensible, we just need to change that. It's a 3.js, yep, no React. We don't need React for that. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, I remember someone gifted you, and it was, if I'm right, salmon burger salmon. Was I? Yeah, I think that's it. Oh, I think the dog needs to pee. Yeah, I hope he can hold for at least 1 hour. So it's too sensitive, we can change that. So it's gonna be the wheel sensitivity.
Coucou toi. Ça va, mon pote. Aïe.
Fais gaffe. Moi, oui.
Vidéo.
Salaud. Yeah, so it was the wheel. Ah no, it's not sudo. This one is Riz. Okay, now it's better. Yeah, it's cool. We need a minimum value and a maximum value again. What are their name? What? Ah, the dogs. We have Jazzy below the desk. She's sleeping because she has been awake the whole night and was scratching my door. And Reese, it's there. R-E-E-S-E. Reese is leaving tonight and Jazzy is leaving tomorrow. Alright, sensitivity, what was I doing? Oh yeah, using the sensitivity, now it's fine, we just need to make sure that there's a minimum and maximum value. We don't need the user to be able to move too close to the portal, so the minimum value will be something like 1, and the maximum value 10. Should the user be able to move too far? What? It's not working. Damn. Oh no, it's the phi. Whoopsie. So radius. The chocolate? What chocolate? Ah, you think it's not my dog. I think it's let me check. Ah yeah, someone told me about that. A friend yeah, that's it. We don't have those in France. I don't think so. But yeah, a friend of mine living in London told me that he always thinks of this when I talk about trees. So yeah, it's probably that. I will ask his owner. So it's working well. Yeah, nice. We have the maximum. Maximum is beyond the scene. Maybe we can actually put it further. No, but no. He wants to play. Poor boy. Okay, so we have this. Okay, it's going further. 1 is way too close. Let's put 2. Arrête, bonhomme, arrête. Yeah, I like it. What we can do too is prevent the user from going below, but not too much, maybe somewhere over there. Can I find the value? After that, we are going to add some damping. It will be much better. Minus 1.25. Please. L'embête pas. L'embête pas, mon beau. Yeah, now we can't go below. It makes, yeah, it's a bit weird, but I think it's fine. Okay, we have a good base. Should we add a rotation? I would like to add a rotation. We'll see. No, but no. He wants to play, put the toys on my lap. It's gonna be hard to finish. What was I doing? Yeah, adding the dumping. So we have the values of the spherical. Yeah, that's the value. Now we can add is like this. And is we have multiplier and the value. So the eased value. Yeah, let's do that. Which will be a copy of this one. A clone of this one. Which is a copy. Okay. More we won't ball. And now we can update the east value according to the value and use it instead. Oh, should we do it on the object? Ah, yeah, maybe actually. Yeah, maybe it's better. Yeah, I think we have to do that.
Qu'est-ce qu'il y a? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a?
Yeah, the problem is that we are doing it there. Yeah, maybe we should ease that value. Yeah, I got it wrong. No, arrête. Arrête. No. She wanted me walk at his. This one is a boy, actually. Yeah, okay. My problem is that I can't just ease the spherical values because after that we are updating the position and this one will not be eased. So, might not be that much of a problem. I don't know. Should we can try that. No, if we ease the spherical, I mean the quaternion, we will have troubles. Yeah, I don't think I will find the solution. I just need to move forward and see where it goes. Yeah, let's ease the what I wanted to do. Let's ease the spherical coordinates. Might do the trick. Arrête, bonhomme. So we have the phi plus equal. We can lerp it. I'm not going to lerp it. I prefer to control every values, but let's not do a lerp. Use the lerp. So it's the destination. No, so it's the is. It's the destination minus the current one. And the multiplier is wrong. Let's fix that. Yeah, this one is supposed to be much smaller. Value phi is no, that's not it. So it's value. So the phi multiplied by this, I will not use the Jazzy, no. The time yet. Jazzy, no. Oh, yeah, I got this one wrong. Okay, I think it's working. What we need to do now is use this one instead. So instead of the value, we use the eased value. Jazzy, no. She's being so grumpy. Oops, too much. What happened? Oh, if come on. Yeah, nice. Whoop. No, 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 no. Okay, I got something wrong. The eased value. Is it the opposite? Oh, it's the target minus... Yeah, I got this one wrong. Yeah, like that. A dog cam. I'm really thinking of doing that. Maybe when I will have my dog, why not? Okay, it's working nice. Way too much dumping, but we're going to use the... Yeah, no, it's super fluid. Alright, that's cool. We need to multiply it by the time. Different channel on Twitch. Different channel on Twitch? You can have different channels? For one streamer? So yeah, we need to multiply it, and we can just multiply by the time. Do I have the time? I don't think so. Yeah, I'm missing the time. Time, and I think it's not gonna be enough. We need to add more. Something like that. Oops. Yeah, nice. So all of this to have a nice dumping. Yeah, it's cool. Feels much better. It's kind of add limitation to the everywhere we can move, but I think it's better. Most users don't know how to use the orbit controls, like the fact that you can right click, use control. So I think it's better. Okay, nice. Should we add the rotation? Let's tweak the dumping a bit. Ça va? Okay, it's trying to sleep. That's perfect. Maybe too much. What should be the default? Actually, I think it will be animated, so maybe something like that. Yeah, it needs to be up so that we see the world showing up. Probably a bit further, so 25. Radius should be 3 point something. And this should be math by 25. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, that's not bad. Maybe a bit more in the front. This one can be slightly below. Yeah, something like that. And now you can see everything showing up. In college? Oh wait, what's college exactly? Because college in French is not the same. Yeah, what's college? Yeah, I have a very simple. I did a science cursus. I don't know what's the name, but university. Yeah, we didn't have many choices by that time. I did the scientific version of it. But after I had my high school diploma, I went to ethic. This school, which was great. It was cool. Wasn't perfect, but still it was cool to learn some digital things. I didn't know it was possible. Yeah, I think we are good with this one. Oh yeah, one cool thing you can do so that people understand that they can drag and drop is simply add a cursor on it, on the experience. You can do cursor, drag, I think it's drag. Nah, that's not it. Cursor, oh yeah, I got it wrong. Cursor, drag, oh, it's not drag. Pointer? What? Grab? Really? Ah yeah, grab and grabbing. Yeah, that's it. Ah, it's not working. Why? Oh yeah, now it's working. Yeah, people usually understand that they can drag. Obviously it only works when you have a mouse, but this is better than nothing. Okay, and when we are dragging, we need to put cursor grabbing, and we can just add it and remove it from the controls when we mouse up and mouse down. Yeah, that's it. So it was on the experience. We need a target. Oops. What's the name? Target element. Target element. Is that it? Yeah. So when it's down, it's this one. Let's do it before maybe. Grabbing, we said. I think that's it. And when we move, we don't do anything. And when it's up, we just remove it and the CSS default version will handle it. Can we put null? I think so. Yeah. See that cursor? Do you see my cursor? Oh yeah, you should see it. Grabbing, not grabbing. Grabbing, not grabbing. Nice. Okay, so this was... I think I will not do the touch version. I want to do it. The main issue is the pinch. I hate to do a pinch, just like I hate wheel. It's a bit complex and you have to get the distance between the two fingers. If there is two fingers and if there is more, what are you doing? Is it the last one, the first one? Can get really complex and you need to use many different devices. Let's move forward and do the other animation. I can add that offline anyway. Yeah, I want to finish the project Oh, we didn't add any title. Oh, we need to add some UI. Ah, the project that cannot end. Title and credits so that people can find the code. Okay, we have the control one. Let's do the animation and then we can mix. I don't think it's going to be hard to mix. So for the animation, the idea is to create just some transitions. It's going to be spherical. Yeah, I can call it like animated. Library for pinch. I think you have some libraries. I think that there is the hammer JS touch hammer time, something like that. Hammer JS. But I always prefer to do it myself to make sure that I have full control. If possible, I always avoid libraries. Sometimes you have to use library, just like Three.js. Try to do WebGL, 3D WebGL without Three.js. Good luck. Hammer.js, yeah, that's it. Yeah, this one I think is handling everything quite well. Let me just send the links for whoever wants it. Yeah, true. All right, so yeah, let's do the animated one. So for the animated one, we're going to have, what are we going to have? We are going to have like coordinates, let's call them sequences. Sequences will start from a position and go to another position. So it's gonna be, I'm sorry, I'm receiving a lot of messages. Let me check. Okay. Yeah, okay. All good. Sorry. So it will be from one point to another. So what we can do is erase again, and we will have like a position. Should we use vectors? Yeah, why not? You never know. So vector 3, we can do 1, 1, 1. So this is the first position. Target. I'm not going to use rotation. You see that you get a much better result when the camera is looking at something instead of rotating towards something. It's always better to have a target. So yet again, it's a vector 3, and it will be the center. It can be this one. And then we have the destination. So it's another value in the array, and it will move. So let's do like minus, minus. 1 again, and the target can be slightly different. I don't know, like 1, 0, 0. Okay, cool. And we can have multiple sequences like that. Then we can do animated. Next. Yeah, just next, and it will start the next sequence. We can save the current one by using an index. By default, it's going to be null. If it's null, it's going to be 0. Else, it's going to be plus plus. And if... Oh, we need to create 2 already to make sure that there is no issues. And if the index is above the length, if index above, I think we say above, sequences.length, length minus 1. So if it's 0, 1, the length is 2, length minus 1. Maybe I always get this one wrong. It goes back to 0. So by default, it will be new, so it will just set it to 0. All right, so it will play it there. Play sequence, it will play the first sequence. At the end, it will do another one. So it will do this because it's not null anymore. So it will be 1. Is 1 above 2 minus 1? No. Oh yeah, so it's just the length. So it will... Oh, I didn't mistake there. Yeah, so is 1 above 1? No. So yeah, I think I need to remove this. So next time we call play, it will be 2. 2. Oh no, yeah. Oh, wait. It's minus 1. Yeah, I think that's it. How can I be bad at that? Let's try it. Current index. Oops. Come on, refresh. Yeah. Yeah, why did I do that? Doesn't have to be a log. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Yeah, nice. And if I have a third one, actually, let's use the trailing comma. 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. And it continues. Nice. And if I do this, it will be 0, 0, 0, 0. Yep. Okay, cool. So now what we can do is animate it. We're going to use an object. I think this one will be slightly easier. So it's animated object. We can now ask the camera to use not the spherical one, but the animated one. Then we are going to mix those. Oh, and the target. Yeah, we didn't choose the target of the spherical. We can just rotate around the center, which is easier for most users. So let's keep it that way. Animated. So we have the object, we have the target. Vector 3. This one will be slightly harder to set. Maybe I will create a temporary object so that we can have a transfer control and use the target more easily. I mean, set the target more easily. The daily watch, Bruno, code white. You're on lunch break. What time is it? Focus, guys. Shut down the sound, maybe. I don't know. How many are you working? Oh, lit. Nice. Yeah, it is. Oh, it's UK lit. So, what was I doing? Yeah, the target. Should we animate the target? Yeah, we can do that. It's gonna be complex to set. We can try. We will see. And now, what we have to do, we need a GSIP. I don't think we have GSIP on that project. Oh, we have it. All right. I should just save maybe. Whoop. Okay, it's just the portal being animated. Yeah, okay, it's working. Now we need to animate it. And what we can do, should we start with the animated one? Oh, it's a bit risky. Because if the animation is looking at something that is not visually available, it's not already loaded, it will be weird. So it needs to rotate around the portal. Maybe we can have like the first 3 animations that are focused on the portal, and we only play those while it's loading. Yeah, I think that's a good solution. Yeah, let's do that. So when we play the sequence, we're going to animate those. So GSAP from 2. We need an overlay too. Again, just like we did on the previous project. So it's gonna be from 2 object position. We are going to set a duration to, I don't know, maybe 3 for now. Should be more than enough. No delay. Animate the X. So it's gonna be, I need a sequence. We can use the current index. Yeah, so that's the sequence. We have two things inside. Oh, it's gonna be a long animation. So let's do some line breaks. A lot of line breaks. So sequence. We start from the 0 position X. We go to the, oh, let's move this one too. So if it's from 2, this one has to be after, I think. So we start from this one to this one. No, I mean to this one, like that. All right, it should just move actually. I think we can use that. And we have to call it once at the beginning. So this animated next. Yeah, okay, it's working. So cool. Set, I'm gonna call animation instead. I prefer that. What? You don't like it? $68. Okay, animation. Oh, what? What did I do? Yeah, okay, nice. Nice. So we have this sequence. We can also animate get sequence, animate position. We're going to animate the target, animate target. So I guess it's the target, yeah, from this to this. Yeah, I think it's working pretty well. Yeah. I don't know how we are going to debug that. It's gonna be pretty hard to do. We'll figure out. Then after delay, so GSAP delayed call, we have to wait the same duration, so we can put the duration there. Let's put 5 instead. And then we call it again. Can I call it like that? I guess so. So right now it will do the same many times. Timeline, don't need to. No, I will get the same result, I guess. More control. Your dog farts. Yeah, one of them. Reese, it's actually a mixed breed. It does like huge farts. You can't hear them. They are the worst. The other one is a princess. She doesn't fart. So I broke everything, I guess. Delay code. Why are you not continuing? Ah, yeah, I need to call it. Why did I remove it? So it's doing the animation and it's supposed to do the animation again. Yeah, nice. We can play with the easing too. I didn't change it, but I actually like this one. Let's see. Power 2 in out, maybe. Might be too much. Power 1 in out. I always want to add too much easing. Let's keep it simple. Yeah, can be a bit longer so that we can enjoy details. Yeah, that's cool. We need an overlay, classic. Can I take it from another project? No, unfortunately, I don't think so. All my overlays are a bit complex, so let's create it from scratch. Overlay.js. It's just to hide, dim everything at the end, do the transition and put it back. So constructor, like this. I think it's 2. Yeah, almost sure. All right. This, I'm gonna take those from this. Yeah. Like that. We need a scene, so it's in the experience. And then we create the mesh. I could have created everything in one function, but I like to separate them. When you need to add more, it's always cool to have the structure already set. Okay, we add it. We can create it, and it's gonna be after the word. Yeah, we can create an overlay. It's gonna be very simple. Has to be before the controls. Overlay. You can try. I removed the link, the Nightbot anti-spam for the links, but maybe I got it wrong. You can try. Let me check quick. Links. No, it's disabled. I think you can. All right, so this is great. We need some shaders as always. Overlay. Yep. So for the vertex, void main GL position equal vec 4 position, whatever, I guess. Void main. For the other one, it's gonna be GL frag color vec 4. Let's put a red one. No, not a red one, just to make sure that it's working. Like this. And here, do we have materials? Oh, we do have materials. Should I create one like this? No, let's create it inside the class. So material, new, just checking. Shader material, did we do that other times? Oh yeah, let's put it inside, it's fine. Transparent, yes. U time, no. We are going to need use U alpha, U color. For later, we don't need it right now. And then we need the shaders, and I'm gonna cheat again and take those. Three elements. Have you seen 3 elements before? What's that? Oh, it's to use it like DOM. That's cool. Yeah, I like the idea. I like when it's simplification, but I will never use that. Because it's abstraction, which is great, so you can be efficient and fast, but when you have bugs, it's a problem. So I like the idea, I like that people are using it, but I won't use it. Depth? Why depth to the portal? What kind of depth? Ah, no, okay, I'm just adding an overlay. I just need to be able to hide everything and show it up so that when we change from one camera to another, it's not that fast. I just need an overlay, like a full color overlay. And I will just change the alpha of it. Alright, cool. Where was that? Oh yeah, I need to change the name, so it's not particles, it's overlay. Yeah, we need those. We put there. I got something wrong. Fragment, supposed to be visible. Position, it's supposed to be visible too. Should I put one maybe? Ah. That's weird. Why not? Okay. Next, I'm going to use the color of the clear color, I mean. So now it's inside the renderer. I could have created like a CSS overlay, but it's bad for performances. So let's try to keep good performances. We already did so many performances mistakes. Not mistakes, but you got it. So fragment, we need this one. Uniform, uColor. So vec3, like that. All right. Oh, really? Let me check. Overlay, particles. No, I think it's fine. Did I do something wrong there? Overlay. Okay, cool. Then, so we have the color. Depth test. Let's prevent the test. Should prevent these little things that we see at a point. Yeah, transparents are being drawn after anyway, so it's fine. And then we can use the alpha. Oh, what's that? Oof. That's an issue. Oh, I know. Ah, it's been drawn not at the end. Yeah. Because it takes time to load the rest of the models. So when everything is loaded, I need to add it back at the end. I don't like to do that. I need to do something quite ugly. Do we have an event when everything is loaded? Ah, yes, we do. We do. So here, when we do the overlay, we can do... Actually, it can be inside the environment. So world... No, we have to do it there. This world environment. Can I do that? World environment. Yeah, we set it. We create it right away so we can listen to events on it. What was the event? Loaded. All right. Why not? Yeah, we do this ugly thing, which is this scene add, and we add it back again. So we add the mesh again, and it will be added at the end. I don't know if there is better solution for that. I don't want to deactivate the sorting or whatever. Yeah, it's really cool. It's small, efficient. Oh no, again. What the hell? We have troubles there. I might have the solution, but I don't want to do that. Let me check. So we set it, we add it to the scene, and still we are able to see it. Let's use a different alpha just to see if we can see more clearly. U alpha, 0.5. Oh no. Yeah, we got some clipping things. Ah, come on. Is it because they are not transparent? I don't want to do that, but I think I will have to. Like child, the new material. No, it's still clipping. What the hell? Maybe it's first from calling. Maybe it was bugging before, no? Let me check. If we never add it to the there, like that. Okay, so now it should be visible. No, they are always visible. So yeah, it's the overlay messing up with everything. That one is weird. Anyway, I can deactivate the first term code. You never know. No. What is happening? Why are they doing that? We had it at the end anyway. And we can try to deactivate the order, but I don't like that. Sort, object, false. Oh, I don't want to do that. Setting the camera like this? No, there is not many things about the camera. Because it's not... Oh, it fixed it, I think. Maybe we broke everything. No, unfortunately, we don't do this kind of animation because it's very specific to the project. Tu te retiens, bonhomme? Ça va? But yeah, maybe I will add, I mean, for sure I will add new lessons later. And I got a lot of requests for camera animation. Also scroll camera animation. Like you just scroll and you go through different positions. I think I will add something like that. Render order. Yeah, you were right, Nibro. It fixed it. I mean, maybe you wanted to say sort objects. Yeah, true. All right, so I think it's good enough. Chagrat. What we can do now is animate this overlay in the controls. I should have worked the dog before streaming. To do that, first we need to get it, so we can get it from there. And we can animate them from here. Yeah. So it's gonna be the overlay material uniforms U alpha, and we can do GSAP to the value. So when it starts, it goes to 0 fast, like 0.5 maybe, and when it's close to the end, so it's gonna be duration, the same duration, but the delay has to be the total duration minus 0.5 and goes to 1. Did I got it right or not? Duration 0.5. So it stops at the beginning, then we wait the end of the animation. So duration minus 0.5, which is the duration of the twin, and goes to 1. Yeah, I think that's it. Let's see. Yeah, see? It's working nicely. Okay, nice. We can add an easing so that it's not too fast. It's close to doucement, Riz. Doucement. Power 1. So if it's going up, it has to be in. And if it's going down, let's put it there. It has to be out. Yeah. We can also change that. Right now I have 2, but they are not mine. I'm just I always forget the name. I'm doing dog sitting. Dog sittings. Sitting. Okay, I like that. The animation is cool. Cool. Maybe the one at the beginning or at the end can be slower. Let's see. Please, attention. Embête pas. Why would I say that? I need to know what it means and why I would say that. Okay, so now the easing is not bad at all. Okay. Baba is brother? Alright. Namaste, Jagrav Baba. If you want. I hope you didn't made me tell something wrong. Okay, that's cool. I want to try another easing, maybe power 2. Let's see. No, power 2 is too much. Okay, that's nice. And now I think we need to set all the rotation and position of the sequences, which is not the funny part. Maybe I should not use the target. It would be much easier to animate. I mean to create the positions. Yeah, I think I will remove that. And use a classic rotation. Maybe. Just for the sake of this last part. Yeah, we can try. So rotation. We're going to use Euler. I think we can set the order there. Euler. Yeah, we can set the order there. So we need to make sure to keep all the rotation the same. So this, there is no target anymore. Euler. The last one has to be 0. 0, 0.1. Wait. 0, 1, 0. Let's use that. Yeah, this way I can use the control. Yeah, this is a good idea. We take it from the debug. Attends, bonhomme. Attends. Debug instance rotation. Yeah, this way we can use those rotations. Yeah, this one is 0. I know there's a number, but it's number very close to 0. What was I saying? Yeah, we can use the rotation from this, and I say we have to provide the axes y, x, z. It looks something like that. So let's say we create one that starts there. This is supposed to be the center, or we can create there. Okay, something like that. So we get the rotation, we get the position. Yeah, it will be much faster. No, Bonhomme, no, 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 no. No. And the rotation, I think it's already that one. Oops. And then we move to the destination, which is, I don't know, let's say something like this. And we do the same, so position and rotation. So this is the new position. Yeah. This one. Yup. And the rotation is this one. And Z has to be 0. Yeah. So I need to get rid of everything about the target, unfortunately. Yeah, I think I just broke everything. Let's see. Rotation. Let's not move the Z. Doesn't make sense. Animation. Next, 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 next. Okay. Then here we can copy the rotation. Yeah, I'm sure I broke everything. Oh, what? Rotation and no look at then. Because this one was already looking at something. All right, I think it's fine like that.
Hey, bonhomme. Tu t'étouffes.
Okay. I think I broke everything. Maybe I need to change how this one rotates too. Are we using this? Position. Aye. Alright, bonhomme. Animation, rotation. I can do it on this one. On the object rotation instead. Yeah, sorry, I'm messing with everything right now. So object, rotation. Reorder? Wait, what's the name? Yeah, reorder. Y, X, Z. And we use it there. All right, did I break everything? Probably. Oh, that's... Oh, that's good. Yeah, it will be much easier. It's better to have targets, but right now it will take ages. All right. Bye, Nibro. Okay, so we have already one. We can do other ones. Attends, we are very close to the end now. I will add the UI myself offline. It's not very interesting. Yeah, so we have one. Let's create other ones. We can have something like... yeah, it can start there. Yeah, I'm going to close everything because I need to make sure that it's centered. how did we add one? So debug, expanded true. Let's put expanded false on all of them, but the camera. Oops. Replace by false. Like that. And the camera can stay true. Yeah, like that. We are learning French, English, Hindi. That's great. All right, so I said next one is going to be something like can start there. Coordinates, where are the coordinates? There. Okay, let's go. So we take those. Oh, X has to be 0 actually because it's centered. We stay centered. The Y will change. The Z will change. For the rotation, I'll try to do that fast. Sorry, it's a bit boring, but I have to set some coordinates. This one is close to 0, but yeah, this one should be 0 and should stay at 0. All right, cool. Then we move backward. Somewhere over there. Position, rotation. So first one has to be 0 again. Then we can put this one. This one. And the only one that should change is the X. Yeah, that's it. All right, let's see when we have 2 animations. Hey, no, Nakosa. So here's the first one. It's cool, it's really cool. Then it goes backward. Oh, I like this one. All right, nice. Maybe one on the back. Yeah, like from here, no, from the opposite. Like from here to... Yeah, let's start there. Position, rotation. We move to... I don't know, maybe there. Probably too far if you can't see the environment, but it's okay. I spent too much time on this project. I want to try new stuff. It's getting boring. I need to do more stuff. Alright, so here's the first one. C'est pour quand les VOD YouTube? Soon. I'm having troubles, how do you say, compressing the videos. My software is always crashing at the end. I think it's permission issues, but every time I have to wait like an hour, so I just need to do some tests. It's my fault, sorry. Oh, it's working really nicely. Look at that. It's entertaining. Yeah, okay, let's do 1 or 2 more. Can be from the back. Maybe we can play with yeah, like there. Oh yeah, doing something like that. Yeah, okay, let's go. So this one, let's go. I should have created a button to log the exact values and just press the button and it copy to the clipboard or whatever. I actually did that on many projects. You can just ask the client or the designer to just copy the values and send you the values. So here's the first one, and then we do, yeah, we go like there. It can go pretty far actually, like there. We have the fade out before, so the position, the rotation. So we have this. I will add only one, and we would be fine. Maybe a way to see the plumb bus, like slightly. All right, we can put that here. The next project will be, I hope, I need to check if it's possible, but I will use a controller and control a WebGL robot, but like a huge robot with arms and clamps, just like the Volcano clip in WoodKid live. Type WoodKid Volcano live on YouTube. WoodKid Volcano live. Oh, what's that? Nope. All right, what's happening? What was that spin? Oh, -2. Oh, that's weird. Oh, because we are. Oh, yes, I know. Shiba. Are you a designer? Meh. Kind of. I mean, I'm not a professional designer, but I do design. I'm a creative developer. Alright, so this one is cool. Maybe a bit too fast. We can change the duration for each one actually. Oh, this one is so cool. We can see the robot. The helmet in the back. It goes dark. Yeah, that's nice. Come on, one more. So that it's changed through a very different one. Can be like... yeah, maybe a classic one doing this. Or maybe moving up. Yeah, let's move it up. Maybe from... yeah, let's do that. We are close to the end, finally. I don't know how long I spent. I think it was something like 25 hours on this one. I didn't think it was going to be that long. Spent too much time on details. That's what's important, so anyway. Okay, so we start there and we go maybe over there. Oh, we wanted to see the plumb bus. Yeah, just like that. Can barely see it and it's perfect. So we go to there. Yeah, that's the one. This rotation. Oh no! Oh, I did a mistake. I destroyed the previous one. Ooh. Wait. I think I did it twice. Oh no, I think I broke one. Oh. I think we lost one. So this is the first one. I think that was it, yeah. Let's see. Next one is supposed to go back. Yeah, okay, it's working. Next one, I think it's above. Yeah, I think it's fine. 5 is good anyway. So this is the fourth. I really like this one. Oh, you can see flying rocks. Who cares? I'll fix that later. Oh no, we did it again. Ah, it's going from positive to negative. That's why. That's a problem. Yeah, let's try to... No, that's not it. That's this one. Yeah, I would try to eyeball it. Maybe something like that. And I will remove them all because we don't want to wait out of them. Yeah, it's cool, I like. It's immersive. Okay, so that's the right movement, but we need another value. Maybe it's supposed to be more. Like 2.5. Yeah, I think that's better. 3.5. Yeah. Not the best. Well, it does the trick. Do we see the plumb bus? Ah, too bad we see the loading reversed. And we go inside, I don't know if you saw, but we go inside an object. No, I don't like this one. Let's change it. We can play with the portal. Yeah, another one that starts, let's say, there. Hopla. The front is better anyway. So let's focus on the front. So -1. And we move like there. Oh, too sensible. Yeah, right here. Five? Oh yeah, 5. Actually, it makes sense. All right, this is it. Let's go. Lock the camera placement and then put the beginning, and yeah, that's exactly it. And you can even improve that by putting, I don't know, like a button that copy to your clipboard and it copies exactly what you need there. You can round the value to that much digits or whatever. Yeah, that's cool. That's so cool. We can see the portal. Yeah, that's really nice. Okay, let's see them all together. So the first one, obviously, we start with the loading like that. Everything is focused on the portal anyway, so I can play them all. As long as you can see the portal, it's fine. Okay, this one is cool. Yeah, we get something from top. Nice. That's really cool, but it's starting too slow. I think we don't need to use this. Yeah, we already have the fade that is doing the job, so Yeah, that's exactly it. Wait, what's the default one? Looks like we have even more easing right now. GSAP is. Let me check that. The 2. Oh yeah, the 3 I meant. Linear. No. Actually, maybe a scene will be fine. No bounce, obviously. Power 1, sorry. In, out. Oh, maybe just a out. Yeah, maybe that's what we need. Yeah, actually the animation will just run. This animation will run as long as it's loading. It's independent. Okay, that's cool. Maybe we need to make it even slower, like 11 seconds. It looks like it's starting fast. I don't like that. Why is it starting that fast? We put the ease power 1 out. Maybe power 1 is too much. Out. I think the slower one. No, even worse. This one is slightly better. Sine. What's the meaning of sine? Oh, I think that's good enough. Sketchy. Yeah, that's really cool. I don't know. What do you think? Should I put back the power 1 in out or not? This was with the power 1 in out. I really don't know. I can't think anymore, so I'll let you guys decide. No, actually, it's fine with that. Maybe we could increase the duration of the fade to 1. The animation has too long black screen, no? Really? So let me check. This is the first one. Oh yeah, the one where we go behind the block. Oh yeah. But maybe with the power 1 in out, it's fine. Let me check that. Oh, it's the 4th. Yeah, this one. Yeah, you're right. About that. To fix that, can we easily fix it? So it's the 4th one. Yeah, it's this one. And it's on the X. Maybe. Let's try. If I put 0, it's supposed to go much, to not go that far. Let me see. Please load fast. Yeah, that's it. So if we put 0. I don't know, 7. On the Easter egg? No, because people will be able to drag and drop. You'll see. It's going to be a mix. By default, it's going to be animated, and then you will be able to drag and drop. Maybe slightly more. Yeah, well, that one is fine. Alright, cool. We are almost done. What we need to do now is the mix. We can do the mix. So the mix. Let's see how fast I can do that. Shouldn't be that hard. This dot mix enable disable like that. When we drag, we activate the mix. So when we drag, it can be as from the down or the move. Let's do the down. We can change that anyway. So enabled equal false. Oh, we are going to have cameras issues. You see what I mean? Oh, yeah. Okay, it's gonna be harder than expected. So we set it to true, we set it to false. If it's already true, we don't do it. Like that. If it's already false, we don't do it. Oh, actually, I forgot to put the false. Like that. When it's activated and there is no action, we will need to put it to disable it. Oh, maybe when the user press escape. Yeah, that could be interesting. We'll see. And what was I doing? Oh yeah, so the mix value is from 0. 0 means that it's the animated one. 1 means that it's the controlled one. All right. So we need to animate that. GSAP to this mix duration, I don't know, like 1, value 1. Otherwise we deactivate it, we put it to 0. We don't need to kill the twin, I think. When we press escape, let's do that. Window add event listener. Key down. What time is it? Oh. Key or code, whatever. Okay, cool. And then in the camera, we need to mix between the two versions. And to do that, we can do a lerp. Yeah, so we have this one or this one. And if I did everything right, it was animation object, spherical object. So did I break this one? What? Oh yeah, I broke it. Obviously. Look at, what's that? Ah, the look at is broken. Why? Let me guess. No, we have it. Object, maybe it's because of the order. YXZ. Please walk. Objects, rotation. Oh, it's already a Euler. Ah, what's that? The up is different. Now it's broken. What did I do? What did I do? What is exactly Vercel? Yeah, it's, I think it's like that. It's a, we call that continuous integration for hosting. Like when I push to Git, it automatically build and upload everything to their server. So it's really useful. You don't have to put the files yourself. So, what's the matter? That's so weird. The object was working just fine and it's not working anymore. Like the lookat is not working anymore. Spherical target, what's that? It's supposed to look at 0. And if I do it after, like instance... Oops. It's working for this one. Position sets from spherical. I don't know. I'm actually blocked there. I don't know what's happening. When we do the look at, it doesn't look at it. It's looking at the opposite. I mean, if I use the rotation, it looks like it's looking at the opposite. Maybe I need to change. Yeah, okay, maybe that's it. I need to change the up to 1. Nah. Maybe this one. Let's test them all, I guess. Either this one. Look at wasn't working earlier either. Seems like overwriting it. It was working. I mean, we had it. Oh, maybe we're updating the end camera instead. What's the up of the camera? Let's see the up of the camera. So it's this one instance. Is it on the object itself? I think so. Okay, the up is supposed to be Y. I don't see why this one would be different. Yeah, it's like we are watching at the exact opposite. Why? Why? That's so weird. The position is set from the spherical, and then it has to look at the center, and the spherical target is 0, so new 3.vector. So if I put it to 0 myself and I don't change the position, is it any different? Yeah, I don't get it. I think I'm forgetting something. We use the object look at something. The up, can I change the front just like we changed the up? Object 3D, up. There is no front, which is weird, but because I think you need 2 vectors. This is used by lookat method, for example, to determine the orientation of the result. Come on. If you guys have an idea of what I'm doing wrong, I can take that. I set to the object to look at it. After that, it's all messed up. I really want to finish it. I know that if I go to bed and tomorrow I wake up, I will find the solution immediately, but I really want to finish tonight. Today, I mean. Maybe I can just rotate it and that's all. Can I rotate the object itself? Like rotate on axis, rotate on world axis, rotate Y? Yeah, I think I can just make a huge ugly rotation on the Y It's supposed to be its y, so math by. And here you go. It makes no sense. So weird. Yeah, I don't know what's happening. I'll check that later. It's getting boring, so yeah, let's get rid of that. So I have the animated one. We have the controlled one. Yeah, and what we can do now is calme-toi. Is mixed between those. So to do that, we can start from the position. So we take one, we clone it so that we don't change it. We take the rotation. Let's call them mixed position, mixed rotation. Yeah, like that. And then we can lerp it. Oh no, we don't have lerp, obviously, on the rotation. So I do the old ways for both. So x plus equal the destination. So it's not this one, it's this one. Minus this one. So the initial one. Multiply by the mixed value. I think that's a lerp. Maybe I got it wrong. Let's see. Oops. Y, Z. We do the same for the rotation. We don't play with the Z because everything is using Y, X, Z. So my guess is that we can do it like that. Oh, wait. Spherical. Rotation. Yeah, I think that's it. Oh, I didn't mistake here. X, Y, Z, X, Y. So I probably got something wrong, but we need to test that. And then we can use them there. Yeah, I think I got it wrong. Oh, it was today. Nice. Should have made something about that. So now if I get drag and drop, yeah, it worked. And if I press escape, it goes back to the animation. Drag and drop, escape. Drag and drop, escape. Nice, nice, nice. We're almost done. The problem is that, yeah, it might go way too far. So what we can do is when we start, we can update. We are going to come. Yeah, this one is a bit hard. We need to convert the vector to a spherical. So a spherical from a vector. Spherical harmonics 3, what's that? Set from vector 3, yeah, I guess. So when we enable it. Yes, yeah. We do this spherical value set from vector 3, or I'm not sure if some. This animation position? Nah, that's not it. Object position. Yeah, maybe. I want the spherical one to match kind of the animation. The value is this one, and then we have the eased version. So it's gonna be eased value, and it has to copy from this one. Yeah? No, I'm sure I got something wrong. So I drag and drop. Nope. Alright. 232, this one. It's not ease. It's eased. Let's see. Oh, I think it's fine. So we press escape. And now if I do it now. Yeah, see? It starts from where it left. Let's see another one. So we are in the back. We do it. Nice. That's cool. I like it. Went pretty far. So we are not done. Obviously, it's still running in the back. So what we need to do is prevent that. So only if the mix is enabled, we do the animation, the fade animation. So the fade animation is there. Yeah. No, if it's not, this is not the right name, the mix. I won't change this one. My brain is starting to melt, so I won't change this one there. Oh yeah, obviously it doesn't exist yet, so we have to trigger it after. Oh yeah, that's an issue actually. Because it doesn't fade out. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna fade in only in that case, and I'm going to fade out anyway. Yeah, it's a bit ugly, but I can't do better right now. Let me check that. Okay. Best websites. I can't see my portfolio. What's that? My portfolio is too old. Okay, that's cool. Oh no, why did it fade? Okay, I got something wrong. Oh, it's the opposite. Oh yeah, it's the opposite. It's this one. I don't think so. I think I can do better if I put enough time on it. Maybe the next one. Alright, so if I drag... Alright, will we have the fade? No fade. Fade? What the... Why? The mix... Hey boy, I know you need to walk. Oh, you're destroying the toy. That's why I have a lot of toys.
Hey boy, come here. Oops.
At least it doesn't... It just chew it, it doesn't eat it. So, yeah, I think I got it wrong. What's that? It was enabled. Ah, yeah, maybe... Oh, okay, I get it. Yeah, we need to create a delay instead and test inside the delay. So it's duration minus this, and here we trigger that, and that's where we put it without any delay, but with the mix. Yeah, the test. The condition, I mean. And we can remove it there.
Hey, hey.
Alright, so if I do that... Okay, no fade, no fade, no fade, no fade, no fade. Okay, cool, let's press escape. Hey, madam. Fade, okay, cool. Fade, 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 fade. Should have a fade again. Nice, I drag. Yay! No fade. Yeah, it's working. Nice. I'm so happy. Such a child. And you can see the plumbers. Yay. Ow. Attends, Reese. Okay, I think we are not fully done. I know I forgot something. Ah, yeah. After a few seconds of inactivity, we need to put back the animation. So, yeah, focus, exactly. Help me focus. We are almost done, guys. By the way, are some of you here for the giveaway? Because I didn't tweet anything about any giveaway, so tell me now, so I can prepare myself to do the giveaway. I guess some people are interested in giveaway. Nice. So yeah, we need, how can we call that? So animation, no, it's in the mix. Yeah, it's the mix part. Set mix. Yeah, we can do something there, I guess. This mix, action. I like to call it action. So whenever we do something, we call the action. So when there is a mouse down, down, yeah, like this, we can say that there was an action. Like this. If there is a mouse move while it has been done, so it's a drag, we can say that there is an action too. Okay, cool. So in the action mix, we need to create a trigger delay, yeah, something like that, which is equal to null. Okay, well, actually, because I didn't tweet, I think you have a lot of more chances to get it. Let's see, I will do a giveaway. Let's do that. So trigger delay equal GSIP delayed call. So if there is already one, we have to kill it. So if there is one, we kill it, and then we set it to null. I'm not sure it's the right way of doing it, but we can try. And anyway, we create a new one, and the new one, let's say 3 seconds. And when it happens, we enable the mix. Yeah. So as long as you do actions, it will not be triggered, but if you stop... Oh no, we disable the mix. Disable. Yeah, these are not the right names. So log disable. I will not tweet this website like this because I need to make sure that it works on mobile too. And I need to add the credits, the bottom right, and I don't know, a title maybe on the top left. Okay, so it's working, but I was really ugly. So you move, as long as you move, even a long drag, it triggers actions. And when you stop, 1, 2, 3. All right, so it's working, but it's ugly as fuck. Sorry. Action. Let's call it auto disable. Yeah, like this. Drive, bonhomme, drive. Maybe we can do the same here. Actually, I think it's the disable that is just ugly. Yeah, front end is so funny. I mean, I do a lot of back end, but front end feels good. So yeah, for the disable, I think we can do a fade. U alpha, let me see. Yeah, we fade first and then we animate. Yeah, let's try to do that. We do a fade. We show it. Once it's faded in. Once it's fully visible, like the volley fully visible, we activate it. Oh, the mix can be fast actually. You can do it in, I don't know, like 0.001, which is dumb. Let's put value equals 0, just like that. We say that it's not enabled anymore. And we trigger the next animation. So this animation next. Yeah, I think I got something wrong, but it was a bit complex. Let's try that. Disable. And we can trigger it manually. So if I do that, and I press escape. Almost. What was that? Escape. What? Oh no, okay, because the next is still running. Okay, so now we get a lot of next running. It's getting complicated. we need to stop it. Yeah, we need to stop it. Need to stop that. Is it enabled or not? No, if it's disabled, we do next. Really? How long? I don't have the time here. Or maybe... Oh, 3 hours. Yeah. Shit, that's why I'm so tired. Too small. Okay. So... Okay, I think I fixed it. No. No, I didn't. It's not going to the end. Yeah, I need to stop it too. So animation, this animation, delayed call. Yeah, boy, drive. I know. I have to work them, but I have to work them separately. So if there is an action, no, I think this one is enough. So delayed call, I can put it to null. It's never null actually. Yeah, that's ugly code. I'm doing really ugly things. So yeah, JavaScript, almost only JavaScript. I mean the models etc. has been done in Blender and Substance Painter, but all you see there is JavaScript with the WebGL API with the Three.js library. So we can play around like that. Escape. And then we have this. Will you go to the end? Yay, check that. Next. And I rotate. We wait. Hands up. Oh no, it didn't work. Why was it? One didn't work. Why? Why? Oof. No, there are some very ugly things happening there. Alright, I don't think I will be able to fix that. Let's call it for today. Because I'm just too tired. I can't think, and right now I'm doing some very bad spaghetti code, so I will mess it up too much. But I think we are done. I will just finish like, I don't know, after the walk with the dogs, I will finish it myself offline. That's globally the end result. Still, I will push it so that you guys can test it. As it is, a bit buggy, but still, you can use it. Add controls. Wait, we are not done. We need to do the giveaway. So who wants a giveaway for the Three.js Journey course? Right, I pushed it. The link is always the same. Why are you pushing that much things? Oh, I think I uploaded a lot of things. I didn't export again. Oh no! Oh no! I exported the textures. What a mistake. Okay, I need to improve the texture again. I will do that offline. It's getting too boring right now. We have this, we have bug with this one. I will add those offline. Optimize textures. Here's the link. You guys will have to wait a bit because it's uploading a lot of textures, not optimized. So yeah, some people want it. Are you the only one? Are there Axian? If you are, I think you won. Let's do a test. You guys have to say. I need a word. Let me check. Where is my nightbot? Yeah, we can put. Let's say you have to write Riz, which is the name of the dog that's been bothering me for a long time. If you're alone, you won. Let's see. So to win the Three.js Journey course, this course, you guys need to write Riz. Ah, 2, 3, 4. Oh, good boy. All right, there are some people. Don't worry, I don't think it's case sensitive. Let me check that. Oh, it's case sensitive. Oh no, insensitive. It's okay. You can put caps or not. It won't change a thing. Not many people. I didn't tweet anything about a giveaway. That's why. Oh no, wait. There's a lot of people. All right, I have a delay before seeing them. That's weird. I don't have the same number. Everybody do it one more time. I think there's a bug with a Nightbot. Just one more time. Just put Riz in the chat. Even if you already did one. Yeah, okay. Everybody's showing up. Nice. Okay, let's go. Let's roll it. 3, 2, 1, go. Just kill. Oh, nice picture, by the way. That's a dog with banana on his head. Congratulations. Let me find you. Twitch. Yeah, I need to use that. Where are you? Where are you? What was the name already? Ah, come on. I'm not used to it. Sorry. Just kill. Yeah, got you. Whisper. Hey. Alright, here we go. I think that's the end. You guys can just wait a bit if you want to see the project live. I think that it needs a bit more time to work. Just kill. Yeah, I got you in whispers. We check that right after the stream, and I say bye everyone, and see you tomorrow, probably. I don't know the hour. It's whenever I feel like doing it. Nightbot, you misspell. Nice try. Alright, see you. Bye bye everyone. Ah oui. Tu veux dire bonjour? Tu veux dire bonjour? Dis bonjour à la caméra. Dis bonjour à la caméra.